is there? Ooh. Welcome to Tutorial Week, Day 1. How to type. So I'm gonna teach you how to use the typing with the alphabet. And first you want to get your Peter pointers. And on the alphabet here you've got an F and a J. They have bumps. Put your Peter pointers on the F and the J, like this, in the middle part, the column. And then you just gotta remember the alphabet sayings, the somethings, to know how to type with your eyes closed in the future. So, this is a handy tip. Quick! Ask Zoe. What stops X-rays? Even dogs can't. Red fish vanish, then grow bigger. Yaks hear noises under Jack's mattress. I keep commas. Oops. Over long periods. And that's it. Just remember those somethings, and then you can type with your eyes closed.